So we recently had these double brick molds come from India, where we source a lot of our furniture. So they would have been used for making bricks from adobe, would have been filled with mud and then scraped across here, turned upside down, and then 2 bricks would have fallen out. So what I'm going to show you now is how we can use one of these as a planter, either as a really simple planter for indoor plants or as an outdoor planter. So the first thing to do if you're going to use it as an indoor planter would be to simply, and this is very simple, I collect and use old hand-thrown plant pots here. And something as simple as that is a really simple way of just displaying tropical plants. And you can move it from place to place. It can go on old radiators, or it can go on the side, or even go in the middle of a table like that to really look as a feature. But if you want to use it outdoors, then what you can do is to pot some outdoor plants. What you'd need to do first is to drill a couple of drainage holes in so that when you do water them, the water can escape and not rot the plants. So the first thing, once you've drilled your holes, is to then just sow with a little bit of compost. I'm using general purpose compost, and then get your plants fill the gaps with compost, like that. Fill from this, so don't compact too hard because you want the water to be able to drain out. And then I'll go with a white on this side. Oop, let's put some compost in first. You don't want anything that's going to grow or have roots that really want to extend too far. Just pop that one in. And then the last plant to go in is this one here. Some additional compost in to keep them in position and to feed them. That. So that's basically the planter done, and that could go on the edge it could be used outside on the floor, it could go on a windowsill, and it can be moved around really easily, and I'll just show you what it looks like on one of our windowsills. So I'm just going to pop this on one of the windowsills that we have here, and that's it there, a nice vintage brick mold solid teak planter that can be moved around different parts of the house.